This footage operating station at Continental Resources Group. So bulletin board listed company trading our ticker CRGC. See us a 9-month chart. Stock's had a real nice uptrend. Some pretty volatile days. See some long lower shadows, but generally pulled back up into the close. Anyways, moving from 14-cent lows all the way up to hit 39 cents. Stock retraced. 3 straight green closes though, and it's on radar now to break through 39 cents. Take a quick look at the indicators. Obviously nice uptrend in the stock. No negative divergences really across that time in the MACD. Trending upward nicely. Not getting very much from the ADX. Down relatively low, only registering a 16 right now. Saying there's not a great deal of strength to the direction in this chart. Positive negative DIs mixed together. Again, very neutral reading. Money flow index. I'd be looking for that to turn right in the very near future, because I always want to see that money flow hold over top of 50. Show people are paying higher prices for the stock over the average periods. It's a much more bullish indication. You don't want to see the stock trending below average prices. Nice look to the accumulation distribution, just generally showing an overall uptrend. Even in the near term, I'd want to see it punch through and make a new high. Getting a little bit of a different reef than Chaikin money flow. That's why I use both these indicators, because Chaikin money flow is built upon the accumulation distribution. You can see while the AD is moving up, Chaikin money flow is actually making lower highs. So that's a little bit of a concern to me. But I want to see this move upward, show that buying pressure is outweighing selling pressure over 20-day periods. CCI is also making lower highs. Of course, per definition, the buy point's a break of 100. I'd certainly be looking for that to come to drop a buy signal. But again, I'd want to see this come through, spike up, and make some higher highs, because these volume-based indicators are giving a little bit of signs of weakness as the price per share is climbing upward. Full stow, it's a gauge of momentum. There's not much to complain about that look. Trading over 50 shows bullish momentum over the last 5 months. That's pretty much what's been shown in the full stow. Tricks to gauge a trend, pretty similar to the MACD. Overall, nice look, nice upward trend. RSIs, like the full stow, they're a gauge of momentum. Want to see them trending over top of 50 to show bullish momentum is being sustained in the play. I especially use the long-term indicators, the gold and red lines of 14 and 21, because the 7's a lot more volatile. And really outside of a couple dips here and there, RSIs show that momentum is sustained in the play. Regarding the candles, if there were any real deep pullbacks, there's a strong area of support right around 28 cents. Happens to time with the 50-day moving average. Of course, that's pretty far away from its closing price of 38 cents. I'm not zoomed in close enough. It actually looks like it closed about 37.5 cents. If it did pull back again, though, I'd be looking more in the area of 32.5 cents for a support point. There's a little bit of another one right through there around 35 cents, but I think 32 is a little bit stronger. So rather than clutter it up with lines, I'm just going to leave that area as a support point. Clearly the breakout point is 39 cents. And because as the selling came in, volume actually tapered off a little bit. And now just with respect to the last couple days, volume picked up yesterday over Monday's volume. So now if this is going to continue to push and take out that top, and for me to feel comfortable any signs of negative divergence are going to be broken, I'd be looking for a strong volume day like that. I want to see this take the top out. I want to see volume definitely spike. The more the merrier. If it came all the way up to 1.5 million shares, have itself a record type of day, that's ideally what I'd be looking for. But I definitely want to see volume pick back up over these last 2 days to try and take out this resistance point. Again, if it falls back any further, I want to see a pick up support there around 32 cents. Again, I want to see volume taper off even more to show that selling pressure is drying up, and I'd look for the increase in volume at that point to try and make another move. Real nice climb though over the last year, trying to poke through to make new highs. Moving averages are trending upward. Overall, it's a nice look to the chart. Again, there are a few signs of weakness coming into it, but there was a pretty good sell-off of 15% or more. As some profit taking apparently set in off this 39-cent high. In order for any of those short-term trends to be broken, going to need to see a volume surge and a bust through to new highs. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the CRGC chart, but as always, it's merely my interpretation. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.